going on, guys? Wayne here, and today I'm talking about a video that I found a month ago. Also, I couldn't find any background footage for my game, so I just put Thanos having a little boogie. Yes, today I'm talking about a video I found like a month ago now, and it is homeless shelter food review. The guy who uploaded this did say that he worked at the food shelter and did give some food to the homeless people who didn't get to have the food, which was sort of good, but you can't just look past the fact that he made a food review on homeless food. Food for homeless people. Anyway, yeah, is going to be looking at this, and yeah, see you guys.
But I've never actually tried the food that I'm making.
Good?
I don't know if you're allowed to partake if you're not actually homeless.
Well, I'd assume that you don't.
And I think I look homeless enough to where I could pull it off.
I wasn't homeless. I lost homeless friends. When you're homeless, the whole world turns on.
As you can see, our pal Philip is interviewing this man.
They don't want me interviewing anyone. They don't want me interviewing anyone.
Just the keyword don't.
Kind of like a pastry, a cookie covered in salad.
Oh, that just looks lovely.
There you go. It's okay.
What was that? Just a little bit creepy there, mate. Then our lad strips into his bills before he eats the salad cookies. Alright guys, that's going to do it for today's video. I do hope you enjoyed this one. And if you did enjoy it, then make sure to on the like button. And I will see you in the next video. Adios, gamers.